Did you know that one of the greatest musical geniuses in history was laid to rest with almost no one there to remember where? No grand tomb, no towering monument, no royal farewell, just a quiet grave and a mystery that still echoes through time. This is the story of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart and the strange, often misunderstood circumstances of his final resting place. Mozart died in Vienna on December 5, 1791, at just 35 years old. Even in death, he was still composing in a way, his unfinished works left behind like whispers of brilliance. But what happened after his death is where legend begins to blur into reality. Many people imagine that Mozart was abandoned by society, buried in disgrace or hidden away because he had fallen out of favor. But the truth is more complicated and far more human. At the time, Vienna was under the rule of Emperor Joseph II, who had introduced strict burial reforms. In an effort to improve hygiene and reduce costs, the emperor banned extravagant funerals for most citizens. Even respected professionals were often buried in shared graves outside the city walls. This meant Mozart's burial was not unique, but typical for his time. He was buried at Marx Cemetery in Vienna, likely in a common grave. But common graves were not necessarily mass pits filled chaotically. Instead, they were orderly, reused burial plots. Still, there was no individual marker placed for Mozart, and so over time the exact location of his grave was lost. But why did no one of importance attend his burial? Contrary to popular myth, Mozart was not completely alone. His friends and acquaintances likely attended a small funeral service. However, severe winter weather reportedly prevented many mourners from accompanying the body to the cemetery. More importantly, Mozart's financial situation was unstable. He struggled with debt and inconsistent patronage in his final years. He was buried as an ordinary citizen under strict regulations that treated most people the same in death. Ironically, his music was about to become immortal, just as his physical resting place faded into obscurity. As decades passed, Mozart's reputation grew explosively, defining the foundation of Western classical music. In later years, a memorial stone was placed in Marx Cemetery. Today, visitors stand at that symbolic marker, because Mozart's legacy was never meant to be confined to a single stone. His music moved far beyond the physical world. So the irony remains. A man who created enduring beauty was given one of the simplest burials imaginable. No monument, no certainty. Just music that refused to disappear. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to the History Vault for more untold moments from history. New videos drop regularly.